Hi, honey. What are you
I
doing?
thought you were doing a 180.
Yeah. What are you doing here?
I'm on top of the parking lot here
Yeah. At where?
at TMC,
Uh-huh.
Tucson Orthopedic,
And why are you here?
to discuss what the doctor's going to do to me.
And what is the doctor going to do to you?
Going to go and take out my old hardware and put in new hardware and fix L4, S.
Oh, so they're going to fix your elbow, huh?
No, my back.
Oh.
Right here.
Oh, right there.
Yeah.
Okay. And so they'll be done real soon. Within when?
They're going to call as soon as they can.
Oh,
He
that'll
just
be
got
nice.
back from vacation.
So what's the date?
Today is June 30th, 2016. The last time I was here, when he did that, I was here in March of 2011.
Oh boy.
So,
You know, I got a bad deal. I mean, you just keep falling apart on me.
he didn't pay for the 5-year warranty.
Oh, I should have got the damn warranty. But anyway, they operate on you right there on the second floor, and then your room will be up on the third floor. And
The penthouse suite.
oh, that'll be nice. And look at that neat old.
Boy, it's pretty nice. Look at how clear the air is
Yeah.
after the rain.
Yeah, that's looking down there at the Rincon Mountains. Okay, and that's the Catalinas there, and right up above there, up above is Mount Lemon. And then as you go down here, there's Finger Rock over there. You can see it if I go in kind of tight on Finger Rock up there. I've hiked up there before. And then down on the very end is Push Peak. That you go around the end of the Catalinas there to get to Oro Valley. And then as you look out here, that over there is Sombrero Peak. And that is the Tucson Mountains, running all up that way. In fact, look right there. There's a mountain clear over there.
Can we see ours?
So, I'll be coming here and probably parking in this very parking garage a lot, hon. So, see you later.